G'day, g'day, how is it going? I've got this here, Samsung Bubble Wash Washer Dryer Combo, and I'm going to pull it apart. It's not so much a how to scrap, more like a what's inside. So I've never pulled apart a washer dryer combo. I've done them separately, so I assume that we're going to have components of both the washer and the dryer inside, and yeah, hopefully we get a little bit of copper out of this. All right, cheers, let's get into it. Okay, looking from above. Looks like a pretty standard looking front loader washing machine. 4 inlet valves. So we got the dryer as well. This here, oh, I'm no expert. I'm gonna call that a heating pump. Correct me if I'm wrong. A bit more wire. Maybe a vent, perhaps. Or that might be where the heat actually goes into the drum, I'm not sure. But yeah, it's full of stuff and it's heavy, so I don't know. Let's keep pulling it apart. Alright, so I flipped over the washing machine slash dryer and have a look at the bottom. Got a handy little flap here, I don't know why, it's got one anyway. Just having a quick look at what's inside. From the bottom half, got your drum, more cabling, more plastic. Got your motor back here, we can easily get to that soon. And that's a pump, I reckon, another small pump. Because that's where the water comes out for the filter. Like this, little shock absorber. Alright, well, let's keep going. Actually, before we go, just notice this on the side. It's vented. I can see some cabling. Just looks like a motherboard or something in there. So we'll check it out. Okay, that vented motherboard is here. Looks quite nice. Has that coating over the top. I assume as a bit of a waterproof. Nice. Looks pretty. Got a bit of heat sinks. Bit of copper there. So I'm not sure if I'm going to scrap this or try and sell this motherboard. We'll see how we go. Before I turn it over to get to the back, what I'm going to do is just take off this door, because I don't want to scratch it up and damage this door. Alright, it's time to take off this back panel and find ourselves the motor. This is what we're dealing with. More cable, there's your drum, there's your motor in there. So that is what we want to get to. So unbolt that, hold this tight, see how we go. Pull that out carefully. There's all your magnets for your inverter motor. Get these bolts off. Well, there you go. So the copper windings that you'll find in an inverter motor. Looks nice. Pop the cover back on just to protect it. There we are. Magnets hold. Beautiful. That's alloy, but that's all pressed into the plastic, so I reckon that'll just be too hard to take out. You know what? I'll probably just take this cable out for now, and the rest I'll just leave in the case, ready for shred steel. Okay, let's take a look at what we got. This is the shred steel. This here wasn't actually a heater pump, it's just a vent and some sensors on there. So steel on the outside, alloy underneath. We got the wiring along, a bit of cable there. I did cut off the plug, which is, I don't know, should I have done that? The heat sensor, it's the only thing that broke off, but other than that, the loom is complete. Got here a noise filter. Don't know what it does, but might try attaching that to my kids. As we know, motherboard. Got some valves here. That I know doesn't work. So, with the rest of the scrap, we got the panel, the LCD, little toggle switch there. So I'm pretty sure that works. Might see what we do with that. This here is the door lock. A couple of small pumps. Got the tray for all the laundry liquid. The inverter motor. By getting closer, we're looking at 12 pounds or 5.5 kilograms. That's just in the motor. Now with all the parts, I normally just scrap them, but because this machine is so new, I might actually try and sell them separately. I know a lot of people are after these inverter motors because they use it to generate their own electricity. Might be able to sell it in that case. Yeah, it's got to be worth something. It's got to be worth more than scrap. And if it doesn't sell, well, then I'll scrap it. Well, there you go. That's what you're going to find inside a Samsung washer dryer inverter bubble wash machine. It's a lot of words, but yeah, pretty good result. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you're new, welcome. Please consider subscribing and hitting that thumbs up button. I appreciate it. All right, I'll catch you on another one. Cheers. Bye.